let's go find AOM and net. Where do we initialize the context? Here, so I can give it a dictionary of parameters. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I remember this. I did a similar thing for sound IO. Yeah, lots of... Yeah, let's go just look at the options. We'll see if any of these make sense for us. CPU used, quality speed ratio modifier. You know what? We can probably even codecs. Higher number indicate greater speed and lower quality. The default is 1, which will be slow and high quality. Brilliant. Okay. So we should be able to give a dictionary in here. That's not inspiring because I don't think that's true. Okay. Oh, this is for output. Yeah. No, I want input. Probe for audio devices. So where do we use this? We use this in the input. Not for the codec. We'll steal that as this video, pipe video. We might... wait, you can do that? That doesn't sound right, but okay. And here we want CPU used 8. Couldn't add CPU used to dict. And then here we want to use dict. Okay, no we don't. You want a double pointer? Nope. Frame. Okay. Frame. Okay, frame. Okay. All right, we're gonna start. Yeah, now we're encoding. All right, it was quicker. But still pretty slow. Okay, that's actually not too bad. That's okay. I don't love it, but it's okay. I wonder if I can make that even quicker. I really don't care about any of this. This is like making it actually good, and I want to just make it actually work. Where's the like make it really fast? I mean, I guess that was CPU used, right? But this is like per frame. Is that right? Because that's too slow. Let's start with that. It doesn't matter yet. It doesn't matter yet. This is not the problem we're trying to solve right now. Invalid data found when processing input. Against my better judgment. Okay. Yeah, I didn't think that'd be useful. It's just fucking in the wrong place. Okay. So the error message is invalid data. So that's E in, I think, when processing input. So we should be able to go avutil error.c invalid data when processing input. Oh, invalid data. So E inval is different. So this is invalid data. Okay. Format. Matryoshka. Encode, I guess. Why does it say write packet? When it says write frame? Over here. What is going on with my keyboard? Oh, it's in mux. Okay. Yeah, so write frame is write packet. So, okay. ffmpeg's documentation and its actual implementation differ on what to call these things. That's very nice. Okay. Probably here. So we're looking for invalid data, which could be there. Could be there. It's not there. It could be here. Check new extra data, because we're not using extra data. We're not using AAC, we're not using FLAC. We are using AV1. Side data size, which is not true. Okay, so we're not using extra data. Remove the following once lib AOM starts propagating proper extra data during a net. Okay, so Matryoshka needs extra data. I think I'm convinced enough that this is a viable way to do it by creating a frame manually, sending it to, well, with the caveat that this is extremely slow. Like, it looks like it processed something like 10 frames in like 4 seconds. I need to get 25 a second. But I think that's okay. I think we can work around that problem because the way that we're getting stuff from X right now is like the slowest, shittiest way you can get stuff from X. We have a lot we can do to speed that up. Though to be honest, I don't think X is the problem there because it's really the encoder that pauses for several seconds. And if you look at this, like this is fine. This is fast enough. You know, we can make it faster, and we will. But this is fast enough. Look at it respond. Look at it go. That's great. Yeah, actually, what happens? Yeah, it does that okay. Wow, that's... Whoa, that's trippy. But yeah... oh, I see what I did. That's pretty good. But yes, anyway... The point is that like the X thing is fast enough. It's clearly the encoder that's really slow, and we'll have to figure out how to make that fast. But nevertheless, I think this is the right way to do it. There's just so much stuff I'm gonna have to figure out to make it not shit. I can't say I'm necessarily looking forward to that. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do. So I think we'll call it there for now. I think this proves... this is like a proof of concept. We need to figure out extra data, which the whole reason we chose AV1 was to avoid having to deal with that. But Matryoshka clearly doesn't like... well, probably doesn't like us not having extra data. So next time we'll work on switching all this over to X264 and we'll switch from RGB to YUV, which will require just transforming the format, which should be fine. And then, yeah, then we'll work on setting up X264 or 264 such that it encodes quicker. And I think we'll need to figure out how we can use multiple threads for encoding, because I think if we look at... yeah, if we look at this, I got a whole bunch of threads going. Yeah, threads 4. And we'll have to figure out if it's easy to send data to libx264 from multiple threads or not. And we'll have to figure out how to coordinate the threads. But I think we'll probably tackle those problems in that order. So dealing with the fact that it's slow is going to be a much later problem. That's not something we're going to deal with right now. So yeah, I think that'll be it for now.